What is up, guys? Alex G back in the video. Today I am moving into my new house. Right now everything's gonna be remodeled here, and I kind of accidentally sold all of my monitors because I sold all three of my old monitors to get one really good monitor, and I'm gonna be getting more in the future when my room is done. But for now I am in the basement. I am going to be unboxing this Pixio monitor. It is a 24-inch 144 165 hertz monitor, and I never had a 144 hertz monitor because I've been running it on a TV. And yeah, so here it is. This cost me $120 on Amazon because I had like a discount, but it would have cost $170 through $180 if I didn't have the discount. But here it is. This is the box. That's the box it came in. It is very big. This is my setup so far. It is nothing. Everything's gonna be remodeled here, guys. Here is my box and monitor, and I'm gonna be using this knife to unbox it. So I'm just gonna cut through the box straight away, and then we have this little latch over here we could just open. I need to cut off these sides right now. There it is. I'm opening it right here. Here's the handle, and here is the start of the packaging. We got a lot of foam here. I'm gonna try to pull this out all on off camera because I'm only recording with one hand, as you guys can't see. So I just emptied the entire box from over there. First of all, we have a DisplayPort to DisplayPort connector. Good thing it's not HDMI because that is kind of outdated right now. We have a monitor stand, but I'm not going to be using this once I actually get my room because I'm going to be having a mount with 3 other monitors. And then I'm going to be having a Pixio power cord. It's Pixio branded. I'm not sure why, but whatever. It's a power cord. It works. And here is the main monitor. This is how you get it off. I don't want to break it, but here I got one styrofoam off. I am going to try to set it up right now, and I'll give you guys an update. Currently, I have my setup in my basement. You could call this my setup because I really don't have a room. It's getting all remodeled right now. But I do have the HDMI connector and everything. So I am going to be using the included stand for the monitor. But once I move into my room, I'm going to be having 3 monitors. So there's going to be no point in having this. I'm going to be having a mount. Also comes in with a piece of paper, as you guys can see. It's pretty protected. There's the box, and yeah. So here's how the monitor looks like after I put on the stand. The stand was very, very easy to put on, and one of the best things about this monitor is that it's super thin and skinny, so it could actually fit anywhere with any mounts. And if you're gonna have a triple monitor setup like me, it's not gonna have a lot of weight on the VESA mount or the VESA mount, whatever you guys call it. It is super easily detachable, and the mount, the current mount right here, it swivels 45 degrees up and down. And yeah, I'm gonna be plugging in the power cord, and I'll catch back to you when everything is set up. So I just set everything up. I will not be using the DisplayPort to DisplayPort adapter right now. I'm going to be using an HDMI to an HDMI. Currently, while I'm in this situation right now, I have both the power in plugged in. There is 4 HDMI ports and display ports. I have it plugged in. I am running a 3050 RTX. So that's all I need for me. There it is. I have a DisplayPort for my second monitor at my old house, but now I sold everything. This is my only monitor I have. This is the screw that came in to screw those 2 together. But yeah, now I'm gonna be turning on the computer and we're gonna see how it looks like. So there it is. I have the Wi-Fi antenna right here. The setup is horrible. I am turning it on. It's gonna take a couple seconds to boot up. I have the mouse right here and the keyboard since I was actually unboxing all this stuff. So I could actually bring it down now. There it is, it's turning on. And since I did get a new monitor, it's going to be putting me into BIOS. So I need to press OK. And there it is. It is starting up. It looks way fresher. And I need to update the refresh rate on it. It is 144 through 165. So I need to make sure to update that. And here it is. This is how the monitor looks like. It is 1080p. There is a 1440p option, but the resolution is going to be only up to... The refresh rate is only going to be up to 75 hertz. So that's the downside. There is a lot of trash, but I'm going to be putting it all in that box. And this is the main box it came in. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is super easy to set up. It is super light. It is super... it's just good in general. And it has a pretty good reasonable price of $180 through $170. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you all in another video.